So I have attended many of the common training organized by UST, but it was a nice interactive session with so many activities. Thank you for organizing this. And a key takeaway, I used to will be concentrating on the screens normally, so the listening skills might be a bit less. So I'll be concentrating more on that, so I can understand the teammates where they are having challenge, and that will be corrective action from my end.
My name is Kevin. So I would like to thank the organizers for actually giving us this leadership class. It was a very valuable insight. Like the key point which I was able to understand that I'm not able to properly persuade others. So I will be working on that. So thank you.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.